guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this bracelet. It's so cute. It's called raindrops. So easy to make. Only 2-peg, no hook, no loom tutorial. You could use a rainbow loom, monster tail, finger loom. You could use 2 pencils if you like it, or your fingers. But I'm using, I don't know what it's called. It's a finger loom. I don't know, but it has 2 pegs. So let's get started. But the colors that I'm using is green, white, and pink. So yeah, let's get started. You could use whatever color you like, and you're gonna need to use clips. I clip both sides because, when I clip maybe like one side, I'm scared to the other side to keep opening until it. So I just clip both sides. When I want to make it a bracelet, I just take one S clip and clip it from here, like maybe bracelet. Okay. Now let's get started. First, you're gonna be starting by getting a white band. Place it like figure 8. Okay, now you're going to be clipping it right now. After doing this, grab your S clip or C clip. You clip it through the middle. The bracelet looks hard, but it's actually really easy. Okay. Some people have it easy. So I have it kind of easy for you.
Show you the bracelet.
And this is how it is. Then you're going to be grabbing a pink band, put it up on top, and then pull up the left white side. Then grab your pink band, and place it to the left peg. Grab a pink band, put it up on top, do the same thing, but with the right side. Grab the white, put it up, and put it right here. Okay, then you're going to grab this, take the left top band and put it to the right side. Then pull this and put it right here. So it's going to make like an X. Grab a green band, put it up on top, then invert, put it down like this, and pull up this one. And then grab the left green band, put it to the right peg. Take a white band, put it up on top. Pull up this pink in the left. And then grab the white band in the right, put it to the left peg. And then put the green band from the right to the left peg. And pull up both of these white bands like this. And then put the green right to the left peg. Grab a green band, put it up on top. Then pull this middle pink band in the right down and get to this pink band above it now and pull and put it back. And then take this green one in the right, put it to the left. Grab the white band, put it up on top. Then pull this pink one in the right side. Take the white band right here in the left peg, put it to the right peg. And the same thing with the green. Put it back to this peg. To the right. And then pull up both of these white in the right. And then you're going to grab this from here and from the left side put it to the right peg. We're going to trust the process and continue down. So grab this at the top and put it at the top. Then take the metal band, put it up to the left peg. It can even look like an X. Take a pink band, put it up on top. And we're to put this top in the left side and pull the above one there and put this back. And then take this pink one, put it up to the right. Grab a white band, put it up on top. Pull this green band. Take this white band from the right, put it to the left peg, and take this pink band in the right, put it to the left. Then pull up the two white bands up top. And then put the pink to the left peg. Grab a pink band, put it up on top. See this top green band right here? Put it down, grab this, and pull it. And then put it down. And then get this one in the right, put it to the left. Take a white band, put it up on top. And then pull up this green band. And then take this white band, put it up to the right peg. And then pull this pink band, put it to the right peg. And then pull this white band, these two white bands, and take this from the left side, put it to the right peg. That's how it's going to be looking like. And then, so you put this back to here, like that. Then you take this to the other side. It's going to be looking like an X. It's going to be like an X. Grab a green band and put it up on top. Then put this down and pull this. This is in the left peg, and then pull it up. Put it like this, and grab the green, put it to the right peg. Get a white band, put it up on top. Then pull this pink up. And then grab this white from the right, put it to the left peg. And put this green right from the left to the left. And then pull up these two white bands. And then put back this green to the left. Grab a green band, put it up on top. And then pull this, put it down, invert it, put it down, and pull this up. Then you're gonna take this green band, put it up like this to the left side, grab a white band, put it up on top, and then put this, lift it up, put this from the left to the right peg, and then you're gonna be putting this green right here, put it back, then pull up this white band, then pull it back to here. This is what you're gonna have. It's so easy to make. Comment down below if I'm too fast, so I can redo this for you. I know it's short, but to end this bracelet, to end this, so you're gonna put this to end this bracelet, but you can put the video back like keep doing it. Just keep doing what I was doing, and then you're gonna do it. Grab pink band, put it up on top, then pull this down and pull this. This is how it's gonna be. Do the same thing on the other side. Oh, don't do it. Just pull like that and grab a white band. Oops. Just grab a white band. Put it up on top, and then I'm gonna pull this green. Put it like that. Put it here. Okay, and then put this pink and pull this white. Put it here, and then put it back there. And then pull up the two inverted, put that down, and pull that up. And then you're gonna pull this pink back in, grab a white band, and then you're gonna pull this, put white band on top, and pull the green band from the right side, and then put the white from the left to the right bag, and then put this pink to here. Okay, push the camera up to see it better. Okay, then you're gonna be pulling. Then you pull this white too, and you put this here. Two. Grab an S clip, clip it down. Okay, after you clip this S clip there, and open.
Depending on how you arrange your band.
This is how it's gonna be looking like. Wait a second. Just stretching out the band a little the bracelet to fix. Okay, this is how it's gonna be looking like. You could make it longer if you'd like to. I'm just showing you how to do it. So this is how it's gonna be looking like. There's no difference from the one that I showed you before doing it. Like, they're the same but different colors, and this one is longer. This one is long, and this one is short. And they're different colors, just the same bracelet. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like, and comment down below if I was too fast, too slow, or you did it. Bye. See you next time.